Hey neighbors, it's Miss C and I'm back with another video. I guess this week is just gonna be unboxing week. Cause look what your girl got. Yes, honey. Look, one of my homegirls took me to Ulta Beauty. They just opened one by my house, right? I don't know why I walked up in that place. Cause remember that perfume set I showed y'all on live? That's where I got it from. But they have even better deals online. So your girl picked up a few things. So it finally came in and I wanted to share it with you. So I got a package. I got a package. I got a package. Hey, 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 hey. So let's get into it, okay? I'm not gonna waste no more time. I got my trusty, dusty knife here. So, to all my ladies, guys, whoever that got some money, okay, let me know if you shop at Ulta, or do you go to Sephora, or just a regular the hair store for your beauty needs. I'm used to just going to the hair store or the beauty store, whichever one you want to call it. Let me not bring this toward my face, okay? Because you know knives slip, okay? They slip and they dip. Now hold on, because I got to cover up my address. Because I can't be having no special visitors, okay? No, don't you come over here without calling first. It's going to be repercussions. Sad feelings and repercussions, okay? Good. We don't play them type of games around here. Okay. They got the little bubble wrap. Okay. They got the little receipt. Okay. Put this right there. Okay. So what we got up in here? I'll take them all out the bag first. We got us some excuse me, facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. And I'm going to use this to just freshen up the face when it's feeling dry, you know what I'm saying, before you put on your moisturizer. And they said online, you can use this to help set your makeup. I hope y'all can see that. I know my ring light is bright. So I'm trying to get new items for my face so I can start doing my makeup more. This is the NYX Professional Makeup. Bear with me. Cannabis sativa seed oil. Ooh, excuse me. I just got through having a wonderful meal. Go check it out on Miss Mukbangs. Lip conditioner. That's what this is. Hopefully y'all can see that. So I got me some lip conditioner for the lips. I got some facial spray. And I needed a new cleanser for my face because y'all know I don't really put anything on my face besides when I wash my face in the tub, okay? And my alcohol to remove excess oil and to make sure I don't get any bumps or pimples or anything. So this was on sale. This is So Totally Clean Deep Pore Cleanser, original formula with salicylic, whatever acid. I can't pronounce it right. Acne treatment. Help clear acne, pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. Help prevent the development of new acne blemishes, which I really don't get a lot of acne. The only time I really get bumps on my face is during that time, ladies, so y'all already know. Every once in a while, one want to pop up on your chin, on your cheek, on your forehead, wherever just feel like coming in, or where it can just drive you crazy the most, okay? Can I get an amen, somebody? So this is the face cleanser. Ooh. Salicylic acid. I think that's how you pronounce it. And online, this looked like a smaller bottle, so I'm kind of happy that it's this big. I know it say the fluid ounces and stuff online, but sometimes you really can't get a picture in your mind how big something is until you put it in your hands. But this is 6.75 fluid ounces. So hopefully this worked really good. I might have and it do come sealed. So this might be something new in my regimen if it keeps my face clear just how I like it. Your girl got a pair of lashes. Grand Glamour lashes. Cosmetics London Allure. Vegas. They cute. I don't know if these just everyday lashes. But if you feel like it's a feather light feel, adhesive is included. Okay. Easy on, gentle off. Now that's important because some of these lashes, once you put them on, it's hard to get them off. But this is what they look like. Hopefully you can see those really good. So I just want to try those out. Oh, okay. This was my little gift. Now, what I like about Ulta Beauty is when you buy certain things, like I bought this NYX lip conditioner, and I got 2 other NYX items. And with certain items, the company itself is giving away like a little free gift, and this was one of my free gifts. It's so cute, y'all. Look what it is. It's some lips. Ain't that cute? It's like a little corn purse. And it say NYX on it. And it's holographic. Ain't that cute? That's so cute. And it got the little keychain, and it also came with some free NYX Professional Makeup On the Rise Volume Mascara. So it's a mascara. This was also free. So yeah. So yeah. I'm not a beauty guru, y'all, but I'm trying to learn how to be more ladylike. I didn't start getting into all this stuff until I got older. So anytime you can buy some stuff and get some free stuff while you're shopping, that's what you call a good shopping experience to me, okay? It make you want to come back and spend a little more money. Also, I got my first investment in makeup, and this is so gorgeous. The new Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. Jackie Aina palette. Now, Jackie Aina is a beautiful chocolate black beauty guru here on the YT. She have a couple million subscribers. She been doing YouTube for a really long time. The holographic is stopping you from seeing it, but I will be doing a video on this by itself, because the next couple of makeup looks will be coming out of this palette or my old school that I've been having for a long time, my Urban Decay Naked palette. Most of my eye looks I do now is with this palette, but as I learn how to do makeup more, I'll be using her palette. So since she have her own palette, she been doing looks with this palette, so I'm gonna try to copy the same looks she did. I don't know how good I'm gonna be, but I'm gonna try. But yeah, this was an investment, okay? If you want it, go to the Ulta Beauty or Sephora. Okay. I also bought these little razors. It was buy one get one free, and I used these to cut down the little fuzzies on my hair, cut down my sideburns when they grow too long, any little peach fuzz I get on my cheeks, on my chin, or anywhere else to clean up my eyebrows. It's called the Pro Brow Trim and Shape by Ardell. And yeah, I got 2 packs of them. Hopefully you can see them. Okay, and I got an e.l.f. mascara and shadow shield. And you use this to put under your eye when you put on your mascara, so you don't mess up your foundation. And also when you're putting on your eyeshadow, you don't have to worry about the falling on your cheek, because you can use this tool. So if you like beauty videos, I'll be doing more, and I'll be using this in the beauty video once I learn how to use it. Okay. And your girl got her some tweezers from Revlon. I needed some more sharper ones. The ones I had, I've been having for a really long time. And these are nice and sharp. They're cut like at an angle, so they grip the hair really good. So I needed some more tweezers. Last 2 items. I have the Nyc the Skinny Mascara. It comes with a really thin, skinny, narrow one. And I got that so I can get in the corner of my natural eyelashes when I don't feel like putting on false lashes and want to wear my natural eyelashes like right now. It's hard when you have a big... Let me see. That's this chair, y'all. I don't want to hear it. When you have like a big one like this. And it's big. It's really hard to get in like the corners without getting mascara like on the top where your eyeshadow is or at the bottom. So instead of worrying about having to use a large wand to put on my mascara, I got this skinny little one from NYX. You see how long and slender and skinny it is? It's almost like a micro wand to really help get in the corner of your natural eyelashes. And also to do your bottom lashes as well. Because sometimes the wand on regular mascara is too wide. So yeah. So I definitely got that. And that's what's supposed to, what it make. This is what it's supposed to do. Help get those smaller lashes. Okay. Last item is the Epic Ink Liner by NYX. And it's just a regular eyeliner. I'm used to using a pencil, but I'm jumping in the danger zone and trying to see if I like using the marker type black liner. And I'm trying to learn how to do a wing liner. I don't do wing liners because I don't know how to do it yet, but I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna watch me some YouTube videos and I'm gonna work it on out. So I just got a liner pen or a marker, whatever. I really want to learn how to use the paint pot, like brow and gel eyeliner with the angle brush. That's what I would really like to use, but I haven't got that good yet with makeup. But hopefully it'll be like a stepping stone from a regular soft black pencil to this pen, this black felt pen type liner to the gel. When I use liquid eyeliner, the brush is so thin, it don't really do a big enough swipe for me, so you got to keep dipping it in and doing it, and it drives me. Okay, it drives me so. But because I bought these 3 NYX products from Ulta, I got the free little coin purse or a little mini makeup bag and the mascara for free, or for buying 3 of NYX products. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I hope y'all enjoyed my Ulta Ulta.com unboxing. I truly enjoy sharing these items with you as I'm learning how to be more girly and feminine and stuff. I mean, it's cool, but it's a lot more work than what I'm used to doing. I'm used to doing my hair. If I want to be cute, put a little mascara on and some lip gloss and go on about my business. But hey, sometimes you want to up the ante, okay? You want to get a little beautified or whatever. So I'm learning. And hopefully you come along on this journey with me. So, neighbor, thank you for joining me. Missy in the place to be. Hey, and where that is right here on Missy's Corner. Hey, on Missy's Corner. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I say like, comment, share the video, and subscribe.